डियर क्लास 11 स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम लोग एमसीक्यूज का जो पेपर है कंप्यूटर के लिए वो करेंगे। तो मेरा ख्याल है जो बच्चे ये वाले अगर एमसीक्यूज कर लेंगे उनका कोई ऐसा चांस नहीं रह जाएगा कि उनके एमसीक्यूज में नंबर कटे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सारे एमसीक्यूज कवर कर दिए गए हैं तमाम चैप्टर्स के। द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रिएटिंग कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम्स टू परफॉर्म स्पेसिफिक टास्क इज कॉल्ड सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट। The primary purpose of the software development life cycle (SDLC) is to deliver quality software, a reusable set of concepts, practices, and tools that provides a structured foundation for software development is called framework. Which of the following is an example of a web development framework? तो Django. Which of the following is the first phase of the software development life cycle (SDLC)? So, requirement gathering. Functional and non-functional requirements are collected during which phase of the SDLC? So, requirement gathering. Which of these defines a system's specific behavior and operations? So, functional requirements. Which type of requirements defines the quality attributes, performance criteria, and constraints of a system? To non-functional requirements. Which phase of SDLC focuses on how the software will look and function? To design. Which of the following activities is not part of the design phase in the SDLC? To system testing. Which of the following is used to visually represent the steps of a program? To flowchart. Which of the following is the main activity in the development of the SDLC? To coding. In the dash phase, programmers begin writing code to create the software. To development. Which phase comes immediately after coding in the SDLC? To testing. Dash is the process of checking the software to identify any bugs, errors, or issues. To testing. Which SDLC phase verifies that software works correctly and meets quality standards? To testing. Which type of testing evaluates system behavior under high user traffic or large data volumes? To performance testing. The term for an error is in software that leads to incorrect or unexpected results is bug. Which type of testing validates that software behaves according to the requirements and design specification? To functionality testing. Dash is the phase where the software is installed, configured, and made available to end user their deployment. Which type of users typically interact with the software after development? To end users. Which SDLC phase involves ongoing updates and support after development? To maintenance. What key aspect does a software process model help maintain during software development? To quality assurance. Which of these elements is not typically included in a software process model? To marketing campaigns. Which software process model is linear and sequential waterfall model? Which software process model is well suited for projects with well defined requirements that are unlikely to change? Waterfall. Which software process model is a good choice for projects with constantly evolving requirements? To agile model. The short development cycle in Agile are called sprints. The observer pattern is primarily used for notification systems. Which of the following is not a design pattern? To loop pattern. A mistake or error that causes unexpected behavior in software is called bug. The process of finding and fixing errors in software is called debugging. Who typically performs acceptance testing? To end users or clients. Which of the following is a code editor? To Notepad++. आगे GCC is an example of a compiler. GCC stands for तो GNU compiler collection. आगे IDE stand for तो integrated development environment. Which of the following IDEs is most widely used for Python development? तो PyCharm. Which platform is most widely used for hosting open source projects? तो GitHub. Which platform is used for both public and private repositories? तो Bitbuckets. आगे Python is used in various fields such as web development, data analysis, and AI that shows its versatility. Dash is the process of creating a set of instructions for a computer to perform task programming. Which of the following is a valid print statement in Python? तो print और ये ब्रैकेट हैं और कॉमे और फिर hello. What is the output of print hello? तो hello. Which of the following is a symbol is used to start a single line comment in Python? तो hashtag. How are multi-line comments created in Python तो using triple quotes. अच्छा हाँ सॉरी ये वाला क्वेश्चन इनकम्प्लीट था. हाँ ये वाला हाउ आर मल्टी लाइन कमेंट्स क्रिएटेड इन पाइथन. सॉरी आगे इन पाइथन यहाँ पे काट गया था. तो इसका आंसर क्या है? यूजिंग स्टेटमेंट्स. ये दोनों थोड़े से सेम से हैं, छोड़ो चलो. इन पाइथन वेरिएबल नेम्स कैन स्टार्ट विद अ letter or underscore. Which of the following is a valid variable name in Python? तो underscore var1. Which symbol can be used at the beginning of a Python variable name? Underscore. Which of the following is not a keyword in Python? तो class. What is the data type of the variable that stores a person's name? तो string. Which data type is used to represent true or false values? तो boolean. The modules operator in Python is percentage. The slash operator in Python represents floor division. How many logical operators are there in Python? तो 3. आगे which operator has the highest precedence in Python? तो parenthesis bracket जो होती है. Which has lower precedence in Python? तो addition. Which of the following is not a control structure in Python? तो print. Which control structure is used to make decisions in program? तो if statement. A block of code that can be reused to perform a specific task is called function. The keyword used to define a function in Python is def. So what is the correct syntax for defining a Python function? तो ये def name और bracket और dot. What are the values passed into function called? तो parameters in Python. A function can typically return one value. Which Python data structure is most stable and ordered list? Which programming approach specifically focuses on dividing program into reusable independent components? तो modular programming. What is the file extension of Python modules? तो .py. Which method is used to write data into files in Python? तो write or brackets. Which Python module is commonly used for unit testing? तो unit test. Which debugging tool is built into Python? तो PDB. Which of the following refers to a challenge that can be solved through a computational process involving an algorithm? Computational problem. A step-by-step of instructions to solve a problem is called algorithm. A problem with a yes or no output called decision problem. A problem where the goal is to find the best solution is called optimization. A problem where the goal is to find the best solution according to specific criteria is defined as an optimization problem. Which type of problem is characterized by clear goals, inputs and outputs? Well-defined problem. A problem with open-end goals and no fixed solutions is called triple I defined. आगे the generate and test algorithm is often used in which field? तो artificial intelligence. Dash can be used to reduce the number of potential solutions generated in a generate and test algorithms. तो heuristics. आगे a solvable problem in computer science must have finite procedure. Which of the following is a famous example of an unsolvable problem? तो halting problem. Which classic computational problem involves determining whether a program will halt or run infinitely for a given input? तो blank नहीं होगा, ये होगा halting problem. Who proved that the halting problem is unsolvable? Alan Turing. A problem is considered computationally tractable if it can be solved. तो polynomial time. Which of the following is an example of a tractable problem? तो sorting a list using merge sort. The time complexity merge sort is O n log n. Which of the following sorting algorithm has polynomial time complexity in its typical implementation? तो quick sort. How does the time complexity of an intractable problem typically scale with input size? तो exponentially. The primary focus of algorithm analysis is studying time and space complexity. Time complexity helps to understand how the running time of an algorithm changes with input size in big O notation. What does the n typically represent? So input size. Which of these big O notations represents constant time complexity O1? Which big O notation describes an algorithm whose runtime grows linearly with input size? So On. What is the time complexity of linear search in worst case? So On. Which technique breaks a problem into smaller subproblems, solve each one and combines their solutions to solve original problem? तो divide and conquer. Which algorithm is a classic example of divide and conquer technique? तो merge sort. which method makes locally optimal choices at each step to reach a global solution. तो greedy method which technique may not produce optimal solution all cases. तो greedy which method explores all possible solutions. तो backtracking. आगे which sorting algorithm repeatedly compares adjacent elements and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. तो bubble sort. तो यहाँ पे हमारे 100 हो गए हैं, तो मैं कहता हूँ अगले चलो ये भी पढ़ देते हैं थोड़े से. What is the worst case time complexity bubble sort algorithm O n की power 2? Which sorting algorithm work repeatedly selecting the smallest unsorted element and swapping it into correct selection sort? What is the worst case time complexity of selection sort O power n square? यहाँ तक मैंने पढ़ दी है. आगों का आप लोग ऐसा करो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो क्योंकि अब वीडियो लंबी हो रही है. ठीक है, साथ इन सारों के लिखा हुआ है कौन सा करेक्ट वाला है. ठीक है, ये ठीक है हर किसी के अंदर. तो इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लें, सारों का आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेते जाएं क्योंकि ऐसे वीडियो लंबी हो जाएगी. इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. इसका सॉरी मैं ठीक कर देता हूँ. इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. इसका हो गया. आगे तकरीबन ये थोड़े ही हैं, इतने ज़्यादा नहीं है. इसका स्क्रीनशॉट हो गया. आगे चलते हैं. तो इसका भी स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. एक मिनट. हाँ जी, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. अब आगे ये 138 से 46 तक का स्क्रीनशॉट हो जाएगा. इसके ऑप्शंस आ गए हैं. तो ये 154 तक हो गया. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. आगे 155 से 162 तक के स्क्रीनशॉट हो गया. आगे अब 250 100 इतने ज़्यादा नहीं है. ठीक है, 163 से 170 तक हो गया स्क्रीनशॉट. अब 171 से 178 तक हो गया. 179 से 185 तक हो गए. आगे 186 से 193 हो गया. 193 के ऑप्शन इधर है. अब ये 200 तक हो गए और ये 200 से आगे बस थोड़े ही रह गए. अब 201 से 207 तक हो गए. यहाँ पे स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. एक मिनट. ये और 207 के ऑप्शन आ गए हैं. दरअसल ये वाला स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. ठीक है, उसके बाद ये 216 से 223 तक स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. उसके बाद 231 तक स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. ठीक है, आगे अब ये आखिरी है मेरा ख्याल है. नहीं, इसके बाद एक और है थोड़ा सा. ये हो गया स्क्रीनशॉट 238 तक और यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया स्क्रीनशॉट आप लोगों के पूरे. अब इसके बाद शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग की वीडियो अपलोड करेंगे. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.